때 내가 보고 싶
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my hair color experience. So if you want to see how I color my hair at home, keep on watching. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, like my other videos, see with your family. There are recipes, there are vlogs, there are makeup videos. I do everything which I can do on this earth possibly. Using my favorite hair color, this is from Garnier Color Naturals. The shade I will be using is 6.60 Intense Red. Yes, as you can see in the picture, the red color, I want the same color because I love red color on my hair. Like a lot of my friends also say that red suits me a lot, so why not always put red? I don't like browns at all because I don't know, I feel like that browns just don't go with my face or with anything I do. So yeah, let's get started with the process and hang on tight. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do like this video and share with your family and friends. Also don't forget to press the bell icon there to get notifications for all the videos I post. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, you need a plastic bowl. So I'm using this plastic bowl. It's quite sturdy, so that the reason हमें plastic bowl क्यों use करना है, उसका reason है because metallic bowls में there are chances of chemical reactions which we do not want. So yes, we are using a plastic bowl for the color mixture. Second, I will be using this comb. This is optional. If you want, you can use it. I like to comb my hair while I color my hair, so that's a thing with me, so you can use it, or it's skippable as well. Next, very important thing, you need a hairbrush. So this is the hairbrush I'll be using. This is from the brand called Vega. You can find this brush anywhere, near any drugstore, any supermarket, anywhere you can get this brush from. So use this brush or any other brush you have. Next, I will be adding some oils in my hair color. The reason, because I am having a lot of hair fall these days and I'm having some dryness in the ends of my hair. So while I will be mixing the color, I will be using this L'Oreal's Extraordinary Serum. It has like 4 to 5 types of oil, and it is really good to give your hair moisture, softness, shine and everything. So yes, I'll be using this oil and mixing like good 10-12 drops in my in my hair color while I'll do that. So yeah, let's get started with the mixing process. So this is the packaging of the color. As I told you pehle bhi, it gives you 8 weeks of color and whatnot, and it has no ammonia. By the way, Garnier is not paying me, guys, and I am just doing a promotion because I love this product. And when you love something, you should, I think, give them a shout out because they made this product and I like it. So what do we get inside? I'll just show you. We get this developer. This is the Garnier Colors Creme Developer Milk, and you get this color tube. This is the Garnier Color Naturals Creme Hair Colorant. So you have to mix these two together, and you get this sort of kit with it. This kit is mainly after color conditioner. Okay, so one thing you guys should know while coloring your hair, that the color has to be applied on washed hair. So you just cannot go and apply this color anytime you want. You have to have clean washed hair, and then only you can apply this color. And after that, I'll tell you the process. This is the gloves, and this is the user manual. I don't read it. You can read it if you want. If you are doing it for the first time, you should read the manual. Otherwise, whatever steps I'm telling you, just follow that. And this is the after wash conditioner, as I told you before. So yeah, that's all we get. Let's get started with the coloring mixture. I am having my bowl and this brush. So first, I'm gonna take out the colorant. So I will be coloring my whole hair, so I will need this whole tube. So yeah, just pop it like this and put it here. I'm gonna use the whole developer. The developer is in the mixture. Next, I'll be adding this serum. So I'm gonna add 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's time for the mixing. Mix, 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 mix. Okay, the mixture is done now. This is how the mixture should look like while you're applying this on your hair. Now I'm gonna wear my glasses. Sorry, my gloves. What is wrong with me? Where are my gloves? I think I lost them. No, I haven't. So these are the gloves which we get. Get prepared for it. Zoom. This one too. Done. I got this hair clip, so I'm gonna first do my, I guess I'm gonna do this section first, and I'm gonna do this section first. That will make the job easy. I'm gonna just part my hair in two.
지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까 Baby 네 눈을 보면 알 수 있을까
Half of my hair and I have a lot of hair on my forehead. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this comb. I'm gonna comb the upper layer because the upper part needs to get more color because they are virgin hair. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Make sure the color is there. Put everything back.
오늘도 좋은 꿈만 꿨으면 좋겠어 baby
Color application is done. This is how the application is looking like. So मैं इस color को अपने बालों में रखने वाली हूँ for 45 minutes. The pack shows that keep this for 30 minutes. But instead of 30, I'm gonna put it for 45 minutes because ये red color है and unlike other colors, red color थोड़ा time लेता है आपके बालों में settle होने के लिए. So I'm gonna take 45 minutes and then I'm gonna go and wash my hair with normal water, no shampoo. I'm gonna wash my hair with normal water and then use the conditioner which came along with this pack. So right now the time is 1:45. So I'm gonna wash it around 2:30 and come back to you guys with the results. Stay tuned.
아꿈이 아니겠지 꿈이었어도 나 헤어나지 못했어 I don't wanna wake up just wanna back up 우리가 함께했던 것을
So guys, this is how the color has turned out. I'm so in love with the color. Like I love red color so much that this color makes me so happy. So I'm sure you guys also really like this color. I really like how it turned out. I was not expecting this much, but yeah, it has turned out really well. And for the serum which I used from L'Oreal, that added, as a plus point because that serum added a lot of shine in my hair and my hair looks really good and they look quite healthy. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like the whole process of me doing the coloring part, the mixing part, the final results. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I will see you guys soon with a new video. If you want me to do any other video, just comment and I will for sure look into it and do it for you all. So it's me signing off. Take care. Bye.
이 노래 듣게 된다면